The Justice Department has released a new batch of files related to its investigations of Jeffrey Epstein. More than 3 million pages of Epstein documents and more than 2,000 videos. The Justice Department is resuming disclosures under a law intended to reveal what the government knew about the millionaire financier's sexual abuse of young girls and his interactions with the rich and powerful. The files, posted to the department's website, include some of the several million pages of records that officials said were withheld from an initial release of documents in December. They were disclosed under the Epstein Files Transparency Act, the law enacted after months of public and political pressure that requires the government to open its files on the late financier and his confidant and one-time girlfriend, Ghislaine Maxwell. After missing a December 19 deadline set by Congress to release all of the files, the Justice Department said it tasked hundreds of lawyers with reviewing the records to determine what needs to be redacted or blacked out to protect the identities of victims of sexual abuse.
Today we are producing more than 3 million pages, including more than 2,000 videos and 180,000 images. In total, that means that the department produced approximately 3.5 million pages in compliance with the Act. Just a quick note about the videos and images. The 2,000 videos and 180,000 images are not all videos and images taken by Mr. Epstein or someone around him. They include large quantities of commercial pornography and images that were seized from Epstein's devices, but which he did not take or that someone around him did not take. Some of the videos, though, and some of the images do appear to be taken by Mr. Epstein or by others around him. Now, I want to talk for a few minutes about the department's document identification and review protocols. It consisted of multiple layers of review and quality control designed to ensure compliance under the Act and protect victims. On top of the review protocols that the department had in place, the United States Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York employed an additional review protocol to ensure compliance with a court order requiring United States Attorney Jay Clayton to certify that with respect to certain materials, a large quantity of the materials, a rigorous process was undertaken to protect victims against any clearly unwarranted invasion of their personal privacy.
I think we can assume we'll see a lot of images of Ghislaine Maxwell. She is not being redacted. DOJ says that there are images of her. What would be interesting to see is what videos or still photos there are where there are redacted victims, for example, faces, but are there images of people who are not victims who are in those photographs? And what does that mean for the big Epstein picture here? And are these people who are familiar to us? Are there people who were in the last drop of documents and photographs?